Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay. So first consider the left hand side part. Okay, LHS part. Write the LHS part here first. So LHS, it is given that sin a plus cosec a whole square. Okay. So sin a plus cosec a whole square it is given. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. So this is the given LHS. Okay, so it is of the form a plus b whole square. Okay, so this is also of the form a plus b whole square. We know that formula to a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this is the a plus b whole square formula. So here sin a plus cosec a whole square, that means sin a is the a term and cosec a is the b term. So a square plus b square, that means cosec square, plus 2ab, that means 2 sin a cosec a. Okay, so plus. Okay, so this is sin a plus cosec a whole square, and next cos a plus sec a whole square. So this is also of the form a plus b whole square. So now write a square, that means cos square a, plus b square means sec square a, plus 2ab, that means 2 cos a into sec a, so 2a. Okay, so now this cosec a sin a get cancelled, that means cosec a can be written as 1 by sin a. So no, sin square a cos square a. So write this term side by side, sin square a plus cos square a plus cosec square a plus sec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a, that means 2 sin a into, so cosec a can be written as 1 by sin a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Sec a can be written as 1 by cos a. So cos a both get cancelled. Sin a get cancelled. That means 2 plus 2. Okay, this is 4. So now sin square a plus cos square a. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that is the trigonometry identity. So in place of sin square a plus cos square a, we can substitute 1. 1 plus cosec square a plus sec square a plus 2 again plus 2. Okay, so here in place of cosec square a, so we know that identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So from this minus cot square theta goes to the right side and becomes as plus cot square theta. That means cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, similarly we have another identity sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So from this, if minus tan square goes to the right side becomes as plus tan square. Okay, so that means sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so in place of cosec square a, we can substitute as 1 plus cot square a. Okay, so in place of cosec square we are substituting as 1 plus cot square a. Okay, here again this plus 1, so 1 plus cot square a. And in place of sec square a, in place of sec square theta we can write 1 plus tan square theta. That means in place of sec square a we can write as a 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so now 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, so 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. This is the required RHS. Okay, so LHS equal to, we have obtained the RHS, therefore hence proved. This is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, first write the given question. So given that 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so let us simplify this question. Okay, so here 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That means we can substitute as a square minus b square. Okay, so here a is 1 and b is cos square, that means 1 square minus cos square theta. We can write it as 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, so since it is a plus b into a minus b of the form, so that we are writing as 1 square minus cos square. So next 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so since write the formula here, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now so 1 square value we know that 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So we have trigonometry and sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from this, so if sin square theta goes to the right side, so it becomes as minus sin square theta. That means cos square theta can be written as r. If cos square theta goes to the right side, becomes as minus cos square theta. That means sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so now sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So we have another trigonometry identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay, so cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So here minus cot square goes to the right side and becomes as plus cot square. That means cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so in place of 1 plus cot square theta, in place of 1 plus cot square theta, we can substitute cosec square theta. Okay, and in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can substitute sin square theta. Okay, so in place of 1 minus cos square theta, we have substituted sin square theta. In place of 1 plus cos square theta, cot square theta, we have substituted cosec square theta. Okay, equal to sin square theta into cosec theta. We know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. That means in place of cosec theta, it can be written as 1 by sin theta. So in place of cosec square theta, we can write it as 1 by sin square theta. Okay, then sin square theta both gets cancelled. That means its value equal to 1. So this is the required answer.